Ever pondered about the majestic dance of celestial bodies in the cosmos? Well, a certain chap by the name of Johannes Kepler did. He came up with some nifty rules known as Kepler's laws that describe this cosmic ballet. And the fun part? It's a bit like a game of catch you might play in the park. Intriguing, isn't it? First up, we've got Kepler's first law, also known as the law of orbits. Picture yourself and a friend playing catch. You're both running around in a large circle, tossing the ball back and forth. Regardless of how you move, the distance between you two remains fairly constant. Imagine a rope connecting you two, keeping you from getting too close or too far apart. This, dear listener, is quite like how planets move in space. They travel in elliptical orbits around the sun, maintaining a constant average distance, much like you and your friend on the playground. Next, we have Kepler's second law, or the law of areas. Now, while playing catch, sometimes you sprint, and at other times you jog. But here's where it gets interesting. Imagine drawing an invisible line from you to your friend each time you catch the ball. These lines would form a peculiar shape over time. According to Kepler, you sweep equal areas in equal times. This means whether you're sprinting or jogging, the area enclosed by your path and the line to your friend remains the same. Similarly, a planet moves faster when it's closer to the sun and slower when it's farther away, but it always sweeps out equal areas in equal times. Lastly, we arrive at Kepler's third law, the law of harmonies. Imagine inviting more friends to your game of catch. Each friend has a different path, some larger, some smaller. According to Kepler, the time it takes for each friend to complete their path depends on its size. The larger the circle, the longer it takes. In the same vein, the time a planet takes to orbit the sun is proportional to the size of its orbit. In a nutshell, Kepler's laws are like a grand game of catch in the cosmos. Planets, like players, move in constant paths, sweep equal areas at varying speeds, and take different times to complete their orbits depending on their size. So next time you're throwing a ball around, remember, you're mimicking the very laws that govern the heavens. How's that for a game of catch?